Bonjour friends, today we are starting with the spelling French, okay? These all are the conversation and these all are the pronunciation and what is the meaning of this word, okay? Of this sentence. Now we come on the first one, that is ça va bien merci à toi. Ça va bien merci à toi means fine, thank you, and you means I am fine, thank you, and you, okay, to your friend, okay. This only used by your friends. Now for adult one, comment-vous, appelez-vous, okay. Comment-vous, appelez-vous, or comment appelez-vous, okay. That is how are you to your adult person, okay, like your father, your mother, your brother, your elder brother. Now the third one, that is comment ça va. Comment ça va to your friend, that is how are you, how are you. Comment ça va. Comment tu t'appelles, okay, comment tu t'appelles, comment tu t'appelles, that is what is your name to your friend, okay, what is your name to friend. Now comment vous appelez-vous. Comment vous appelez-vous means what is your name to your adult one, to your adult one, okay, like your monsieur, like sir, you can say comment tu t'appelles, monsieur, okay. Now let's come on the monsieur. That is the particular thing, that is singular, okay. Mr. Sir, sir is singular, okay. Now sirs, many sirs, okay. Now we come on messieurs, that is the plural one by sir, plural. So now we are on the next page and now we start from the you feel. You feel means girl or a girl. A girl feels, okay. You feels. You feels. Now let's do the next one, that is frère, means brother, okay, brother. Frère, brother. Now on you a garçon. Garçon means a boy. A boy, okay. That I have taken pieces. Now madame, that is madam, Mrs, okay, Mrs, madam. Singular and this is plural, okay. Madams, that is plural. This one is singular, this is plural. Now mère. Mère means mother, okay. Mother, mère. You can see the spelling also. If you want to take a snapshot, you can take it, okay. Now the last one, that is père. Père means father, okay. Brother, mère, mother, and father, okay. Père, mère, frère, okay. So these all are the words. This is all about the video. For more videos, you can click on this link to know more. That's it.